Today I've been hearing about a really exciting international astronomy project that's actually being run from Wales. It's called Las Cumbres, and Edward Gomez is the director, the person in charge of the project, who travels all over the world but chose to base the project in Cardiff, where he lives and works. Edward, tell us a bit more about it.
Thank you very much, Jill. So Las Cumbres Observatory, as you said, is a global project, but we have telescopes in 7 different countries, and they're mostly used for research, but we get a small slice of that time to use with school kids and with amateur astronomers. And when we came to decide where we wanted to base the project, I chose Cardiff because I'm from Wales, and I also wanted it to be part of Europe instead of being in America, where the institute's based. So I can work in Cardiff, I can work with groups in the UK, in Europe, and I've got a very strong partnership with South Africa as well. And something that I really want to do is use our telescopes, use that small slice of time for education, use that with schools in the developing world. So what I'm trying to do is work with people and come up with programs that work well in the developing world. So using telescopes over the internet, you have to have considerations about what type of internet people have. There's a lot of mobile internet in Africa, so we tailor our projects to that. There's a lot of kids who don't get an awful lot of science education in the developing world, and we're not just talking about Africa there, we're talking about in South America, there's Eastern Partnership countries, there's the Far East. So looking at young kids, engaging them with astronomy through using telescopes, and making the best use of professional astronomers who are keen to give their time.
I mean, this is incredible stuff that's happening from Wales. I suppose it helps to raise the profile of Wales internationally as well. But young people, children, teachers, whoever in Wales, if they wanted to know more about it, where would they go? How would they contact you?
So if they just come to our website, which is lcogt.net, then they can find out more about us. We run a project in the UK, and we give to another organisation called Fawkes Telescope Project. We give them a chunk of telescope time, and you can actually use the telescopes with them, and they'll support you and give you help and everything like that. So you can use our telescopes through them.
It's just brilliant. I can't wait to visit Cardiff myself to use the telescopes to learn more about this project. So I would encourage other people to do the same. But Edward, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.